Diabetes diet. Best low-carb foods for blood sugar control. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for both your mental and physical well-being. A lot of people around the world have diabetes. Taking care of your blood sugar is essential for your health. A well-thought-out meal can help keep blood sugar levels steady. To reach this goal, low-carb meals work well. Their main goal is to cut down on carbs. This change might be good for your health. There are a lot of low-carb things that are still good for you. It makes a big difference to pick the right things. Understanding low-carb diets. Low-carb diets reduce the amount of carbs that you eat. Instead, they stress nutrients and good fats. Cutting back on carbs can help drop blood sugar. This method can help you control your weight. It tells the body to get energy from fat. A low-carb diet helps a lot of people stay on it. It gives you a feeling of being full. This makes you want less sugary snacks. It's not enough to eat fewer carbs on a low-carb diet. It's also about picking things that are good for you. Processed foods are better than whole meals. Making smart decisions is essential for success. In this video, we'll discuss the 9 best low-carb foods for blood sugar control. Stick around until the end. You don't want to miss this. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's make this video the most liked one ever. The best low-carb foods for blood sugar control. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are great for keeping blood sugar in check. They don't have many calories or carbs. You can choose spinach, kale, or Swiss chard. There are also a lot of vitamins and minerals in these veggies. They have vitamins in them that are good for your health in general. Leafy greens can be used in many different ways. Feel free to put them in soups, stir-fries, or salads. They add bulk without adding extra carbs. Eating a range of veggies helps your body absorb nutrients better. Aim to eat at least 1 plate every day. This small change can significantly affect how well you control your blood sugar. Leafy greens are good for you in many ways. Cruciferous vegetable. Broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are all cruciferous veggies. They have a lot of fiber and few carbs. These vegetables are suitable for your gut system and make you feel full. They have many vitamins, K and C. Eating these veggies may help lessen swelling. There are many ways to enjoy cruciferous veggies. You can roast them, steam them, or put them in soups. Their unique tastes make many recipes better. Add them to your food daily. They are an excellent way to keep blood sugar levels in check. Please take advantage of the health perks they offer. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds make great snacks to keep your blood sugar in check. They have a lot of good fats and not many carbs. You can choose almonds, walnuts, or chia seeds. These foods give you vitamins and proteins that your body needs. They make you feel full and less hungry. You can eat a handful of nuts as a snack. To make shakes or yogurt more interesting, add seeds. Nuts and nuts can also make food taste better. You can put them in soups or stir-fries. Keep an eye on the serving sizes because they are high in calories. Enjoy the ways they can help you control your diabetes. 4. Berries. Berries are tasty and good for your fruits. They're not as high in sugar as a lot of other foods. You could pick strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. You can find a lot of vitamins, minerals, and fiber in these foods. Berries can satisfy your sweet tooth without making your blood sugar rise. Feel free to put them in yogurt, cereal, or drinks. On their own, they're also fun. For ease of use, think about frozen berries. They keep their nutritional value and can be used in many different recipes. Berries should be a regular part of your diet. They help keep your body in good shape and your blood sugar controlled. 5. Fish and seafood. Foods like fish and shrimp are good sources of protein. They also contain many omega-3 fatty acids and not many carbohydrates. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are good for you in many ways. Omega-3s are good for your heart and lower inflammation. Fish is simple to cook and can be made in many different ways. You can cook it in a grill, oven, or steamer. To make soups or stir-fries taste better, add fish. Eating fish regularly can be good for your health. 6. Eggs. Eggs have a lot of protein and few carbs. They are easy to make and can be used in many ways. Eggs have minerals and vitamins that your body needs. They help keep muscles healthy and make you feel full. Eggs can help keep blood sugar levels in check. They keep you going all day by giving you energy. You can eat eggs cooked, fried, or poached. You can also put them in stir-fries or soups. If you want to add more nutrition to your food, try using eggs. Add them to your daily meals to get the most out of them. Eggs are a healthy food that can help control diabetes. 7. Avocado. They have a lot of fiber and good fats. They don't have many carbs in them. Because of this, they are an excellent choice for controlling blood sugar. Avocados are good for your heart and lower inflammation. In recipes, they give things a creamy feel. Spread them out or put them in a drink. The good fats in them help you feel full for longer. Try adding avocado to your breakfast for a healthy start to the day. You can put it on toast or mix it into eggs. Eating avocados regularly can help your health. Enjoy the many health perks they offer. 8. Full-fat dairy. Foods that are high in fat can be eaten on a low-carb diet. You can choose from cheese, yogurt, and cream. These foods give you good fats, protein, and calcium. They can help keep blood sugar in check. Full-fat cheese can make you feel fuller and cut down on your cravings. Choose choices that aren't sweetened to stay away from extra sugars. For breakfast or a snack, Greek yogurt is a great pick. You can add nuts or berries on top to make it healthier. For a snack or in a salad, cheese is excellent. A healthy diet can be helped by eating full-fat cheese. 9. Lean protein. Lean proteins are essential for controlling blood sugar. You can choose from tofu, chicken, or turkey. These foods give you energy without making you fat. They help keep your energy and muscle strength up. Adding lean foods to your meals can help you feel fuller for longer. You can grill, bake, or stir-fry these choices. You can put them in wraps, soups, or stir-fries. Figure out the right serving size for a healthy meal. Aim for lean protein at every meal to get the most out of your diet. For better blood sugar control, eat these foods regularly. Takeaway. People with diabetes need to keep their blood sugar under control at all times. One way to reach this goal is to eat less carbs. Eating things that are high in nutrients can help your health in general. Good choices are nuts, leafy veggies, and lean meats. Eating these things regularly can help you live a better life. Making intelligent choices about what to eat is essential to managing diabetes. What do you think of today's video? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.